We are introducing a new set of equipment for processing round wood into pallet blanks and other boards. The system consists of several successive stages of processing, which constitute the production technology and controlled by CNC. The first stage is rough trimming of the log, which allows you to trim the logs with a large curvature. Then logs undergo the exact trimming with an accuracy of 1–2 millimeters. After that, the trimmed log enters the tilter, where the position for the best cut is selected. Then, the log goes to this crag, passing through a 3D scanner, which measures the length and volume. This set of equipment allows you to saw a log with 1 and 2 prisms. After this crag, the sawn log enters the separator that separates the sideboards from the prism. After the separator, a prism or several prisms are rotated, aligned, and one by one fed to the centering device, which centers and feeds the prism to a multi-saw machine. The multi-saw machine is equipped with a cooling system that allows the use of thin saw blades. After the multi-saw machine, sawn onboard's prism enters the sorting conveyor, where workers remove waste second-grade boards and pass the first-grade board further. First-grade boards piled up into packages using a special mechanism. The piling system can be programmed for different sizes of boards and number of layers. The sideboards coming from the separator are fed into the trimming machine. The waste and slab dumped onto the waste conveyor. All trim, pieces, and sawdust fed to the waste separator, which separates the sawdust from small particles. The remaining large sawdust and pruning go to the flaker, where wood chips are produced. As a result of work of the SKYWOOD system, 3 products are obtained: edged board, chips, and sawdust.